Nisam Bulavinaka Fiji, a very good evening and namaste to you as you join me for the most fun night of television right here on Chechemon. I trust that you are having a great evening from whatever part of the country you're tuning in from tonight. And this week, I would like to greet our viewers and fans joining us tonight from along the corridors of Suva and Nausori. Nasinu, Makoi and Nakasi, how you doing? To kickstart our show, we meet a Fijian writer who places Fiji at the heart of much of his creative work. He was born in 1975 in Suva, but now calls New Zealand home. I first heard of this artist when I lived in New Zealand and got a glimpse of him when he made a cameo appearance on Nesian Mystics for the People video. He was in Suva recently for work under Creative New Zealand, so I had the opportunity to sit down and discuss clothing and style with the talented Darren Kamali.
Nisambulu Vinaka to the beautiful people of Fiji. My name is Darren Kamali. I'm a Pacific poet, performer and writer, and also a senior Pacific curator for the Auckland City Libraries in Auckland, based in New Zealand. Born and raised in Fiji, Nakavale. And a Pacific poet, writer, musician, and the senior Pacific curator for the Auckland Central Libraries. My killer looking outfit would be a Suluwatanga, bula shirt and Sibos. Never leave home without my wallet and my cell phone. Telephone because I can talk directly to the person that I'm communicating with. Best thing about being a writer is expressing what I feel and my thoughts and inspiring others. In Fiji, it would actually be tapos. It was a watch. I can't remember the brand, but I bought it in Singapore duty free. My styling secret weapon is my hair without any hair tie. The trend of look that I hope the never comes back is the box cut. I used to have a lot of box cut haircuts when I was growing up. Something that looks good on anyone, I believe, is a bandana. My favorite place in the world would be Holland, Amsterdam, because I love there's a lot of freedom, but there's a lot of control as well around it. Every man should own a car. I always looked up to Bob Marley. Yes, I'd like to style him in a Fijian costume. The best part of my job is traveling overseas and meeting interesting people. It's been locked away in the office doing office job. My style inspiration, I would like to say Bob as well, or any reggae artist as well. Yeah. When I was growing up, I wanted to be a musician, singer. Best part of living in New Zealand is being able to be independent and have a good job and afford stuff. My favorite skincare branding would be Pure Fiji, and that would be Starfruit moisturizer. My favorite era would be the 80s. Yeah, because of the music as well and the fashion. Yeah. Bula vinaka, I'm Darren Kamali and I'm keeping it Cheche on Cheche Mwan.
Darren Kamali, poet, writer, musician and teacher, making Fijians proud with the work he's doing in Auckland, New Zealand. While in Fiji, Darren attended Yatsen Secondary School before chasing his dreams in Aotearoa, where he has become a household name since. From Pacific creativity to international modeling, plus-size supermodel Ashley Graham joins us next, and we go behind the scenes for her Sports Illustrated shoot in Fiji. That's next. See you soon.